Hey everybody, so today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the new Kraken Mini Monitor. So if you follow Kraken, you know that we have had our 7-inch monitor previously, and now we have this new shiny mini one. So you have the monitor itself, obviously. Get it out of there. And one thing to note is it is all one contained unit, so there is no monitor inside a housing. It is all one unit. You have your tripod thread on the bottom there with these two grooves that comes with a ball mount, which I have previously put somewhere else. There it is. So you have your wall mounting here, and it comes with all the hardware up back here to attach that. So you have your monitor itself, you have power levels, your different function buttons. This is your control dial. You have inside your battery. If you have a Hydra 4000 or 6000, this is the exact same battery. As with all the Kraken batteries, USB-C charging, you plug your cable directly into the battery itself, and you have your little battery indicator light there. To load the battery, that side is your positive end. That goes into the housing first, but I'm not done talking about the battery yet, so I'm not gonna do that yet. You have your charging block here. For all of the big Kraken batteries, please make sure you are using a PD block, whether it's the one which is power delivery, whether that means it's the one supplied or one you have on your own. Please make sure you're using the PD block. If you are not, your battery will drain, and it doesn't mean the battery's killed. It just means that it's going to have to be recharged completely using one of the big blocks. So better just to do that from the beginning. In here, you have your different HDMI connections depending on what camera you have. So you have all your different connectors there. If you're going to actually mount the ribbon cable, which you have right here, it's simple. In here it's easier if you have nails. I don't really have nails. You pull out that little black part there, and then you're going to put the cable in, and then you can just push it back, put the cable in, and then just push it back shut. With the ribbon cable itself, you have M24 and M16. So depending on what bulkhead your housing has, you can configure that. And if you're looking for this adapter ring, when you get your monitor, it is already mounted onto here. So don't be looking for it elsewhere in the box. It's already mounted onto the adapter. And then on the back of the monitor itself, you have your HDMI in, HDMI out. Sorry, I said that backwards. And these are both M24 connections. It also comes with the cable. So just unscrew that. Double O-ring seal, by the way, if you have to keep that installed. And then there is your connection. So one end plugs directly into the end on the housing. And by the way, these are supposed to be stiff when you're first taking them off. Please make sure that the O-rings, as with all O-rings, whichever way you're mounting them, so you'll just mount it in there and then thread that on. Please make sure your O-rings are slightly greased. You do not, and just a little bit shiny like these ones here. You don't want them to be dry, obviously, and you don't want them to be over lubed, as that can be just as detrimental to the well-being of your monitor as not lubing it enough. So then you'll just mount the battery back in, thread this on, and that is a very basic unboxing of the Kraken Mini Monitor. There will be a future video in which we connect this, and full review where we connect this to a housing, take it in the water, and we'll show footage and everything from that once that has been completed. But for now, just a basic unboxing video, and we'll see you next time.